ガンダムファンダム。
Hey, it's Gunpla fam here. I decided for this video to make a tutorial because I have done a tutorial in the past, but I don't think it's as good as it used to be. So I'm going to do an updated one right now. And so, yeah. So, this is probably going to be more of a tutorial for a beginner, most likely, because what I'm going to show here is basically a simpler way of doing it, at least the way I do it. And that is, so you didn't notice the thumbnail, I'm going to be using two pliers. Yeah, this one, which is for cutting them from the actual runner itself, and then I'm using this one for removing nubs. Now, there's a three-step technique that I do when doing it, which is I clip here, and then with the first nipper that I showed, and then I clip a bit closer to it, like after it's off the runner, I clip here, and then I start removing the actual nub again with the other nippers. So, the way I do it though, there's a certain way. So, for example, I'm going to show you right now. So, with these nippers, like, if you have some sort of nipper like that, it would be better. But, what we're going to do is, well, here we got the blade of the sword. This is from the example of a option, what is it, the fifth option set from Iron Blade Iron Blade Orphans. Yeah, so we're going to take this blade here. We're going to cut this blade section, so we're going to clip there, clip here, and clip here. Now, as you can see, we now have, or that's a better way of showing it, we now have a blade that has nub still on it. And the way I do is now we're going to take this nipper, and I don't know if you can tell if I lay it flat, but there's like, it's almost like, how can I describe it? Like maybe right here you can see it. There's like it's almost like a triangle, like it looks like a triangle. And what I do is I line up with that triangle, like the same flat surface as it, and I nip it, like that. Now, what we have here is a very little bit. Now, usually, which that is fine, you do it like this. You would sand that, but what I do is that where I shorten it more like that, I take the same nipper and I clip it right down by the part, and as you can see, the access is gone. So now it's the same thing with this one. So now this one, the flat area of the triangle part that I'm talking about that connects it, the part to the sprue, I'm going to cut along that right here. That won't line. And then again, I'm just going to align. And it's better to use something like this because it's more, I find it's more rounder and more flatter. So now we're going to go in there and we're going to clip it closer to the part again. And then, now, for some people you might not like doing it like this because it'll leave bad markage, or whatever you want to call it. But this is just how I do it. You don't have to do it this way. And again, just going to cut there like that. Oh, that one was close anyways, so I'm just going to go in with the tip here. Just nip away the excess. Now for me, when I'm either building, like straight building a kit, like out of a box of stickers, and I'm not painting it, well, even with painting it too, I don't mind if it's like rough nub marks like that, or stress marks or that sort of thing. Because, in my opinion, that's fine. Like, just cutting like that is fine. But, yeah. So, this is just a simple tutorial on, how to cut parts of a runner. And so, if this video was helpful, let me know in the comments. Like it, share it, subscribe if you're new. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Also, if you want to support me, I have Patreon. Link in the description below. And also, let me know how, like, this audio quality sounds this time. Because I got my microphone closer now. I got it set up closer. Because I think that was the problem. I think because the microphone was displayed on my camera, because it mounts on top of the camera. I feel like where it was farther away, my voice wasn't being heard more clearly. So hopefully with the microphone here like this, you should hear me a bit more better and more clear. That's if I don't stutter every 5 seconds. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot of plans for the future, and like collaborations and all that stuff. So let me know. See you in the next one. Bye bye.